Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to discussing about tuples in Python. This is a very important and a special concept of our Python language. There is a concept they have introduced for tuples. Tuple are just like list, whereas using and storing the list items in the items here and tuples also called as an list. Whereas tuples will have there is a list items we can have in changes and modifications as we can use to do appropriate changes. Whereas tuples are immutable and it cannot be changed while for a run. And if any permanent required to change the tuple values where you have to convert that particular tuple into list items and there you have to do the appropriate changes and again you need to convert into the tuple and read as in a tuple. The performance of the tuple will give you a more accurately in high rather than the list items. That is the way there is a facility we have a fixed with the mutable and simply we can call it as in a numbers. We will see here is in a tuple numbers that equal to see 1, 2, 3. This is the tuple. Earlier we have seen that we used this is within the double quotes that single quotes and the number and comma and the items. This is the list items we have called earlier. The braces of parenthesis only we have changed to we call it as a tuple. And print number of indexes we can call it as a simply as usual number printing and all with that functionalities are same as list items of index and we're going to printing here with a 0 as same, nothing is different. See, the 1 is printed 0 index means if I going to pass the window the index number of position 1 is which is printed is 2. See here, all right, as much as simple. And we can if it is in a triple position and triple mode we cannot add the number. Okay, and we need to as we discussed about it we need to convert into the list item and we need to print it is and accessing the list like triple items like index by passing the index of position number we can get have in a position of the index of the tuple value. If I pass the negative number and it will be prints like in a list items are to how we have seen negative like from the string ending from it will be end it will be treated as a number like with the list items and last number is 3 it is printed as 3. Also we can pass it as in the same thing like strings, anything you can pass it either numbers or strings and wherever anything you how we are treating it as a number and string integer or string it is an input. All right, range of the indexes as we can also pass and get the information from the this tuples matter of things. You see here like names we can see here and passing some names like Barry and Smith, John, KB. This is at present this is sufficient for seeing an example of limitations. Okay, this is the table I'm going to bring like a range. For the range, I want to pass here the parameter. I will change to names and 2:3, 2:4. We will pass it. Right now, execute, and this tuple will return the same thing. John and give the range. John and give. Like index positions, what we have discussed earlier sessions also, the same thing will be applicable over here also. All right, and as we discussed now, if we want to change the tuple value for this, I want to convert into the list like simply simply passing list method with names. That's it. The L is within the list. Now L of the position of one I want to replace with some other name called keto, some keyword I want to change. Now again, if I want to replace this thing to tuple, like we have to what we have to push it is in a e that equal to tuple of L we have to place over here. Now see here, P of L. All right. Now that it will be treated. What I have done here, names I have a list item I have taken here to convert it into the list and added that one position is Smith into the potato, and again I have converted into tuple that now it is in a, see I have to write here for that tuple of L, tuple of L, like a list of names, right? And now T, if I going to print that T, what it will be the output. In my assumption is correct, it would be replace the Smith to Kipper. Now see here, Perry, Kito, John, Kiwi. Perry, Smith here, and we are replacing with the Kipper. And John, Kiwi is the same. Alright, this is such a beautification the Python is available. And if you want to, like this particular what I can say that this tuple to use the print of using like accessing of for loop, so very easy to print. Like names, if I want to write a for loop, like for simply you can take it as an like a tuple no t for t assumption like and simply like looping through the tuple is a very simple task. What I want to tell you now, just a second. I could simply, so we'll see now. It's now using in as a in for in tuple. Okay, print a. We'll see how it will be for a for a names names function print of, that's it. For loop, if I implement it, simply I thought that it's an in operator. I'm going to use it, not like that. For a, like any variable you can declare it. Name as you see, you can use it in the names and print it. That's it. A very much simple printing of the like tuples. It's printing brands, made, the things, all the things. And any modifications and all the things you have to do appropriate changes over here, like a converting of the tuple to list and modifications and all. You can appropriate changes you'll do there and print the using the for loop statement. Hope you understand about this all the concept of a for loop like tuples in Python. You better understand. Thank you.